Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Frontenac, local and long distance movers near me. When relocating more than 50 miles, everyone should be concerned. We'll get you where you need to go as quickly and easily as possible. You don't have to worry about your relocation because we've got you covered. Our movers are well equipped, cautious, and well organized. Three's movers are experts and will sort out and separate your belongings in the proper order, such as delicate items from heavy ones. Of all the items, we can be hauled in our trucks with no problem. Your belongings are in good hands when you hire us to relocate you. You can also rest assured that your belongings are covered by a variety of comprehensive insurance policies that we offer. Three Movers is licensed to transport goods over long distances, and our drivers adhere to applicable laws while on the road. We guarantee that you arrive at your destination in no time, in good health, and in good spirits. We have the best local moving services in Frontenac, which are relocations that are less than 50 miles from your current location. At $30 to $40 per hour, we are one of the most affordable priced moving companies around. Ask around, we are the best and most recommended local moving companies in the area. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Frontenac moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.